Master in Management program of Frankfurt School is a non-consecutive Master of Science program. We appreciate diversity both in terms of internationality and academic or professional background. So we would like to have students who are bringing really interesting perspectives to share in class during case studies, class simulations, or during company projects.
In the beginning, we directly had quite a nice case study, which was in our marketing class together with P&G. So it was a case study which was offered by the P&G colleagues. They went here, explained it to us, and then we had different groups and had to work on like a real case study, which was quite nice because we all knew the product. It was quite excited to work on something which is more related to reality. Frankfurt is a quite international city. It offers you a lot of opportunities, both career-wise but also privately. And I think, it is a very big city, but it's still small enough to not get lost and to kind of feel at home.
So Master in Management program of Frankfurt School has several unique features. One of them is the 3-day study model, which means our students are taking their lectures over 3 days a week, including Saturdays. In the other days, our students are able to work part-time or do some internships. And this is a perfect opportunity for fresh graduates who want to gain practical experience while studying.
Well, Frankfurt School has a very strong connection to the business world and to many big and nice employers in town. Frankfurt School always pushed a bit towards professional services, for example, consulting, which I found out initially not necessarily being my type, though got curious, and I'm trying this out by myself to get my own opinion, and I'm really enjoying this.
Our recent study trip has been to Lisbon. We also had a really nice networking event on the Friday evening, for example, where we had the chance to not only talk to our fellow students, but also to the other intakes and just get to know the Nova campus a bit better. We did a sailing tour as a group together. We just enjoyed the sunset and the nice city of Lisbon, and it was just simply amazing.
I miss the growing curve that I saw in many people. So many people around me came in a way and came out of Frankfurt School in a different way. They really matured and I really saw them improving, and this really impressed me a lot. My best memory was the Model United Nations, the MUN project. We were 40 people from Frankfurt School, the delegation of Russia, so we flew to New York City for 9 days. I met people from all over the world flying to Manhattan for the same reason. It was really nice to connect with so many people, and definitely I will bring this experience with me forever.